Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun neutral Halloween Dollar Tree DIY. I picked up some of the black long pillar candles from Dollar Tree and two of their black metal candlesticks, and we're going to make a really cute little DIY here. Now, for the candles themselves, I want to personalize them for Halloween. So I'm using a Posca white paint pen. These work really well for candles. I was really impressed. And what I'm going to do is just sketch out a ghost shape. It's so easy. All you have to do is do an arch, do a little wavy bottom, and you can leave the little eye holes in there, or you can go back and draw them back on. At first, I started leaving the eye holes, but it's just as easy to go back and draw them back on. I'm going to go all around the candles, and I'm just doing it very sporadically. It's a very easy design. You're not going to need a stencil or anything like that. And that white really pops against those black candles, and it looks so cute for Halloween. So I had started with leaving holes, but I just go back with my black Posca paint pen and make sure they're all good. And as you can see, it's a little bit easier to do it without leaving the eye holes blank. And I just go ahead and fill in all my ghosts. Now for the candlesticks. I want to customize them a little bit. They are black metal. I think they're really pretty on their own. I picked up two different sizes for a little variety. I just wanted to add a touch of burlap. So I'm using the faux burlap bags they have at Dollar Tree. I usually find these in the Crafter Square. And what I'm going to do is just make a little sleeve for each one of the candlesticks just to cover the black metal, just to provide a little bit of warmth and fun neutral fall colors with the burlap. I attach it with hot glue and just wrap it around. I like the black on the bottom and the top. That goes great for Halloween. For some reason, the different sizes of these sometimes have different tops to the candlesticks. I'm not sure why, but it doesn't really matter because they go together pretty well. They have like the same kind of base and they complement each other nicely. So I just go ahead and do a little burlap sleeve here for the second candlestick. And now it's time to pop these in. Since they are a little bit different and some of them are a little bit wider, I used a little hot glue to help me adhere these to the candlesticks, but you should be able to burn these just fine, and they look so fun for Halloween. Let me show you what they look like.